guys, thank you so much for watching a while ago. I'm inviting you guys to watch me on September 5 for the P pageant. And sana supportahan niyo ako the way you support the 707 dance group. Woo! Parang di tayo nakikita ka sa side doon.
Aray ko. Oh, Aileen! Aileen!
Oh, turn it off. Turn it off.
Turn it off.
Okay, gusto ka rin dun.
Ouch. That hurt.
Tayo sa... Yan. Go, kanya. So, yun na nga, guys. Gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyo sa pag-support nyo kanina, and thank you sa... Grabe, unexpected yun kasi inantay nyo pa talaga kami para lang makapagpa-picture.
Thanks! Yes, thank you din sa lahat na nag-contribute ng 10 pesos, ng mga pera, mga kaperahan nyo para makabili kami ng aming costume at yung mga kailangan pa namin. And thank you din sa mga...
Lumbans!
Yes, the lumbans. Nasaan na yung lumbans?
That's part of the props.
Yes, it is part of the props. Be proud.
Look at my hands.
Yes. Thank you din sa aming mga ilang sponsors na nagpahiram na kanilang, you know,
Harem
the
pants.
harem pants, kay
Skater
Louie, tsaka yung skater skirts. Thank you. Yes.
And we're also speaking in behalf of Jane and Eileen.
Yes.
Yes.
Wala kasi sila. Yes. The gardener.
The gardener.
Yeah.
We miss you.
And we also want to thank those supporters ni Christine, in behalf of Christine.
And Claire as well.
Yes.
And Ellie, I guess.
And Ellie. Pasensyahan nyo talaga.